Watch this, y'all. It's my hidden talent. Oh, you want me to do it again? So I'm like cooking chicken. I'm about to cook chicken Alfredo, and I look up and I see this. I see this right here. You're just chilling out there, Banjo. Hey, mama. And there's rats. Hey, get down. Oh my God. Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La, 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 la.
What now? That's what now? That's what I say every time. I'm like, what do you want?
Why? Oh my God. What's happening?
I don't know what to think, but thinking doesn't usually get me anywhere anyway, so maybe I shouldn't do it.
Why are you standing like that? What is that power stance? What is this? What kind of house do we live in? You macho man or what?